Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is something completely different from my usual crapola. Today we're actually playing outside. This game is actually the final game of the day. All of my other footage pretty much sucked. My zoom cam footage was... it was decent, no, don't get me wrong, the footage is actually great. The only issue with it is the fact that I couldn't actually hit anyone. I think throughout the whole day I got less than 10 kills. There was so much wind and interference, I just couldn't get any accurate shots on people. And then even the kills that I did get, not even 100% sure whether they were my kills or anything. But these ones, I've only got like 3 kills in this video. But the confirmed kills, they were definitely mine. I know it. But yeah, it's quite annoying, quite frustrating. And also you can see that in the middle of the footage on this one is a big rain blob, because during the day it rained like hell. For, you know, like I think one of the game modes, so for like an hour it rained, and I ended up getting a single blob of rain right in the middle of my camera, so I apologise for that. But anyway, the footage, again, I just have to confirm, even though they are confirmed kills, I don't know if they are at that point after that shot was taken, because I didn't actually have any way of confirming that the footage was syncing up with my camera, because I started my camera when I started playing instead of at the same time as the camera, the GoPro on my head. So it's all a mess. I hope to only get better. It'll be a lot easier when I get this GoPro on Friday instead of using this cheapo other camera that I've been using. I hope to hopefully step up the footage and, you know, make it a lot better. But anyway, I'll stop rambling and get into the gameplay. But as I say, don't expect too much at the minute. There is only three kills in this, but yeah. So I hope you enjoy anyway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I've just fucking dinked someone in the back of the head, and he's not even called it, like full on, slapped him.
I've just got here.
Hey! Marshall! Black hat up there, is he still in?
Just to interject here, obviously, at this point now, I'm just speaking to the marshals just to confirm whether that last guy took his hit, because obviously, given the the last clip that you've just seen, I'll put a clip of it over right now. But as you can quite clearly see, I absolutely slapped him in the back of the head. Like, yeah, that shit must have hurt, because I could hear the connection from where I was. Obviously, it's not that far away, but still, you know, it was loud. So then what I decided to do after this, as you can see, I'm just running back to regen, and then I noticed that there's a firefight going on a bit further down that way. So I thought to myself, I'll leave them guys to it, and then head down to the other side of the map, and this is where this picks up now.
So,
fucking mint.
yeah. Watch out from that way as well. Behind the road. Ah!
And that pretty much wraps it up for the day. As I said, this was the very end of the day, the last game mode that we was playing in an infection game mode, and right before this my gun had just broke, so that's why I started the round late, and my sniper rifle just completely jammed up, and then I also got the unjamming rod stuck in there, and it was a mess anyway. I had to strip the whole gun, put it back together. But yeah, as I say, struggled really badly in this game mode with in this day, sorry, with the rifle itself. Just wind was a real issue, so I'm hoping to get another outside game coming up in the next couple of weeks, one where we're actually in a woodland just to try it out, and then yeah, see if I can either use this or then maybe use another one, another rifle. We'll have to see, but I love sniping. It's a real fun thing to do, just that satisfaction of taking a shot and then hearing the hit afterwards, and now I can actually see the shots. It's a lot better. But yeah, anyway, really short video for a full day's footage, not really much gameplay, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed regardless, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.